विमानतळार ट्रॉली आनी व्हीलचेअर ही प्रवाशां खातीर फुकट सेवा आसा. जरी एखाद्या कर्मचाऱ्यान प्रवाशां कडल्यान ह्या सेवे खातीर जर पयशे घेवपाचो यत्न केलो तर ताचेर कडक कारवाय जातली म्हण गोंय विमानतळाचे अधिकारी धनंजय राव हांणी सांगलां. RDX गोवा खातीर दाबोळेच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
It was an unfortunate incident that we have investigated into it, and we found some of the staff engaged at airport are involved in taking some amount. That's what we have seen from the CCTV footage, and we have taken stern action against them, and we have removed them from services. And at Goa airport, we are very serious about such incidences. We don't encourage, we condemn such issues. And unfortunately, that is a PRM passenger, and PRM passengers and facilities to PRM passengers with reduced mobility. It's what you call it's very prime service we provide to them. So
wheelchairs, everything is free of
now.
cost.
Yes, from through you, I just wanted to inform all the public or passengers that wheelchair service and trolley service is free at Goa International Airport. Anyone indulging in any way differently, please bring it to our notice. We will take stern action.